back to Guess What? Today we're asking, how do ant families work together? First, let's look at the ways ants work together. These ants are building a nest or a home together. This group of ants are carrying leaves for food to their nest. Look, these ants are carrying a piece of food together. These ants are all moving the queen ant's eggs to a different part of the nest. And this group of ants are moving food and eggs from an old nest to a new nest. Now listen to how ants work together. Ants live in families called colonies. In each colony, ants work together in groups and help one another. Most colonies of ants live in nests, and every colony has one queen ant. The queen's job is to make lots and lots of eggs for the colony. There are also drone ants and worker ants in colonies. The drones help the queen to make eggs, and the worker ants do all of the other jobs. There are always lots of worker ants. Some of them make the nest and keep it clean and tidy. Other worker ants find food, like leaves, and bring it back to the nest. Let's learn about how bee families work together. Bee families are like ant families. They live and work together in a family or colony. Bees' nests are called hives. Look how clever they are to make this hive. Bee families have got worker bees. This worker bee is getting food from a flower. Bee families have also got hard-working drones. Some of them look after the hive. Look at this brown queen bee laying eggs. Look at the drones. Like ants, they help the queen make eggs. When all the bees in a colony work together, they can make honey. What do you know? How do ant families work together? One ant family lives in this nest. Drones help this ant to lay eggs. Queen ant. These ants carry food to the nest. Worker ants. Well done! See you next time on Guess What? Bye!